Hello friends, here in this video I am explaining manufacturing process, need and classification of unconventional machining process. Let me start with manufacturing process. Manufacturing process we can say in another word as an value addition process. How? The raw material which comes into lower value, which is converted as a final product as higher value. The process in between raw material to a final product is called manufacturing process. The machining process may be boring, drilling, shaping, milling. The group of machining process are called manufacturing process. Here in this product, the machining process are cutting, shaping and joining, fastening process are done. You can see here there is cutting, shaping and joining process are done. And manufacturing process are classified into two types. First one is primary manufacturing process and second one is secondary manufacturing process. In primary manufacturing process, to provide basic shape and size of the material as per designer's requirement. Example, casting process. In casting process, raw material is melted. The melted molten metal is poured into mold cavity. After solidification, ejection and cleaning process is there. Then moves to next stage. And second category is forming process. Forming is an deformation based manufacturing process. Here, compressive force is used for plastic deformation to provide desired shape and size of the product. Few of the forming processes are rolling, forging, hot rolling, cold rolling, and many of the automotive sectors are used this process because the material properties are improving by using this process. And next category, third category is joining process. Welding, soldering and bracing are the process. It is used to make larger towers, ships and aerospaces. In welding process, it may be use of fillers or friction force between materials. We can join metals. And secondary manufacturing process. It is a metal removal process. By use of cutting force, it is classified into two types: conventional machining process and unconventional machining process. In conventional machining process, cutting force is used for removing materials. You have done many of the experiment in laboratory, that is drilling, milling, lathe and turning. These are the operations. By use of cutting force, metal is removing. And second category is unconventional machining process. It is also a metal removal process by using various techniques involving source of energy to generate machining action. Is called unconventional machining process. By using techniques, energy, source of energy and machining action will happen finally. Need. What is the need of this unconventional machining process? Almost any of the material that is ranges from hard and brittle like ceramics, metals and glass to soft materials like foam and rubber can machining by using this unconventional machining process. And new materials, because of their greatly improved properties like mechanical properties, thermal properties and chemical properties, which is impossible to cut by conventional machining process. And machining of composites is possible. And then two complex shapes can be cut by this unconventional machining process. And deep hole with smaller diameter is also possible by using this process. These are widely used applications in unconventional machining. And it is classified based on source of energy. First one is mechanical energy, and second category is electrochemical energy, and third one is electrothermal energy, and fourth category is chemical energy. In first category, that is mechanical energy, it is classified, it is grouped 4 machining process. First one is abrasive jet machining, where is abrasives as used for machining process. And second one is water jet machining. Here fluid is used for machining process. And third one is combination of both abrasives and water is used for machining process. And fourth one is ultrasonic machining process. Here ultrasonic effect is used for machining. And second category is electrochemical machining process. In electrochemical energy, electrochemical grinding and electrochemical machining and electrojet drilling, these are the process are done by using electrochemical energy. And the third category is electrothermal energy. Here electron beam machining, we can shortly call it as EBM. And second one is electro discharge machining and laser beam machining. These are all under electrothermal energy process. And thank you.